Hey guys, welcome back to my video. So guys, in this video I am going to be making a massive hair growth oil, okay, or hair cream, because it's hair cream that I want to make. Okay, I am going to be working with clove. I want to use a lot of products in this hair growth cream. Okay, so I want to work with clove. I just need it small. The next one is a black seed. Just want to take a bit. Okay, fenugreek seed. Okay, if you have fresh rosemary, you are free to also use the fresh one. All right, I'm going to be blending everything into powder form. Okay, it's time to add in our powders. Okay, teaspoons of moringa powder, leaf powder. Okay, I hope you are seeing it a bit. Brahmi powder, bringraj powder, alum powder, coconut oil, olive oil, this is my homemade hair growth oil that I make myself. So I'll leave it to cook. Okay, so guys, this is it. I have turned off my gas already, so I'll leave it to stay for like 1 day. Are you seeing it? So see you guys tomorrow. All right.